look at that.
Feel me? Yeah, yeah. She my peanut butter jelly snack. Pull it, ride, busky, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo, yeah, yeah. When I'm all alone, she pull through. So when I catch that wave, we gon' move. But then again, we probably won't. Cause I know she like to stay at home. And she probably gon' shoot me dead before the devil try to take my soul. Yeah, I call that love TKO. This thing here way too cold. We gon' shine like a pot of gold. If you didn't know, now you know. Feel me? Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't be your friends, they not cool, yeah. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo, yeah, that's boo. Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your friends, they not cool. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo, yeah, that's boo. Yeah, bro said don't get too involved. You up in school, I'm about to hit the road. Damn man, I'm about to see it all. But one day we gon' see it all. If I said, then I mean it all. Let's be ready when I make the call. I'ma say it here cause you know all my songs. Yeah, yeah. But one day they gonna know all my songs. And we can get the chicken wings with like all the sauce. Feel me? Yeah, you plus me, what can't go wrong? I got a better question, what took so long? Yeah. Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your friends, they not cool, yeah. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo, yeah, that's boo. Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your friends, they not cool. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo, yeah, that's boo.
So this is our new baby, the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. We got it in the color red because we're gonna be doing an unboxing video today. Really excited to unbox this. I wanted an Nespresso machine for so long and finally decided to buy it. For the Chinese New Year promotion, there was a special package for the machine as well as for the milk frother, the Aerochino, with this special Chinese New Year Vertuo selection, which has 6 different flavors. These are their best-selling flavors for you to try out. We've got here the Altisio Hazelnut Muffin. Okay, this sounds yummy. The Fortado Intenso, Stormio, as well as the Double Espresso Sucro. Really excited to taste all these 6 different flavors. So in case you didn't know, this Vertuo Plus is from their latest line. and the capsules are of a slightly different size and dimension. You get the option to make it into a bigger mug size, which is why I also decided to get the latest one. Dun, 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 dun. Oops, wait, not yet there. Oops, okay. Ooh! Very interesting way of opening the box. And here is the machine. It's quite large actually. I'm gonna have to find a space to place this, but I am so excited to give this a go. So here you can see this is slightly different because there's only one button, and this is where you place the water into. And let's unbox the Aerochino as well. So this is how it looks like. I also got the matching red color because, you know, it's just so much easier to identify that they belong together. What to do is basically just place your choice of milk into this, and then it will foam it up for you by itself. I'm gonna take this out of the box just real quick. And oh my gosh, just look at it! It looks so cool! I cannot wait to try this out. I do have to figure out how to use this. I have to read the user manual or watch some tutorials. So I'm just gonna open this up so that you guys can see how the capsule looks like. I really like that these capsules can be recycled as well. All you need to do is bring them back to the Nespresso branch. By the way, I almost missed out on this. This was also in the packaging for the machine, and it happens to be a discovery set of all their different flavors at Nespresso. And this is such a pleasant find, really amazing experience so far. Can't wait to try them all and see which are the flavors that I prefer and like, and we'll definitely share that with you guys.